headsets and ready to go. Can you hear me? Great. Okay, so Corey is going to be casting off the lines, and I am just waiting for his signal to start pulling up chain. He's speaking to me through the headset, so you'll hear me, but you probably won't hear him. You'll just hear me responding. Okay, so leeward is off, and he's about to cast off the windward line. We are surrounded, I don't know, you probably can't tell, but we are surrounded by two gorgeous yachts on both sides, so we do want to be a little careful. Okay, you got it. Chain is coming up. I won't. You got it. You're clear. We are now at 20 meters of chain. And you're at about 25 degrees. We're almost there. Looks like we're coming up on 10 meters. But it's really slowing down. Uh-oh. I stopped. We're definitely stuck. Are you copying me? Nope, we're stuck. Yep. And it's down and to the left. It's about right where I'm pointing. Okay. No, we are stuck. There's definitely, I don't know what to say, but we are stuck on something. And it could be, if you look behind, it could be their anchor. I think we're pretty tight. I don't think we're going to hit that tugboat behind us. I don't think we have enough chain to hit it. Are we head to wind right now? Okay. No, do we have our fenders out on the stern? I think we're just spinning on the anchor itself. That's what's happening. We're spinning on the anchor. Sure, I'll take the helm. Okay. Fuck. We only have 10 meters, so that's the good news. I don't know what to tell you on that. I mean, I can go forward. Helm is active. Okay. So I'm at the port, so if I need to go forward, like if I feel like we're running the ground or hitting anything, I'll go forward. I mean, we have a motor, so we're good. But you're right, we're definitely drifting. Bizarre. Oh wow, that's awesome. How'd you do it? All right, nice. All right, forward and to the right. Got it. Yes, sir. I can see you going. As soon as I turn, I'll turn the thrusters off. Okay, we're turned. I'm slowing us down and I'll pull the thrusters up. You got it. Okay, I'm pulling the stern thruster up. Well,